Hello and welcome. If you're in the UK on a skilled worker visa and need to extend it, this video will take you step by step through the process, from applying online to making the payment. Please note, personal information and identifiers will be blurred to protect the applicant. To begin, search for skilled worker visa in any search engine and select skilled worker visa with the government.uk URL. Ignore the cookies and select extend your visa as indicated. Before you apply, make sure you're eligible. You must still work for the same employer, be in the same job role, meet the salary requirements, have an unexpired certificate of sponsorship, COS, from your employer. Now, let's move to the application process. To begin, click Apply Now, follow the on-screen prompts and answer the initial questions. Where do you plan to live? Select England. Most applicants choose England. Do you have an EU, EEA, or Swiss passport? Select No unless you are an EU citizen. Do you have a UK biometric residence permit, BRP? Select Yes if you already have one. Has your BRP expired? Select Yes if it has expired or is about to expire. You'll need to confirm whether your BRP expired within the last 18 months and whether you've previously provided fingerprints for a visa. Select Yes if you've already submitted your biometrics in a prior application. Select Yes for is your name on your biometric residence permit the same as on your current passport? If you have an expired BRP. Next, select Continue, scroll down and select Sign Into. Log in to your UKVI account. If you already have an immigration account, enter your BRP number and date of birth. You'll receive a security code via mobile or email. Enter this code to continue your application and select Continue. Select the Start Application button in green to begin completing the application form. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Select Confirm your identity. The system will check if your mobile device is compatible with the UK Immigration app. You need an iPhone 7 or newer, or an Android device with NFC capabilities. Select Continue and select Yes, then select Continue again if your phone is compatible. Download and open the UK Immigration ID Check app in your Google Play or App Store and ensure you grant the app full access to your camera. Select Connection Code to generate a connection code. Return to the browser application and enter the connection code you just generated and select Connect. You'll see a "You are connected to the app" message to confirm connection. Return to the mobile application and follow the instructions to scan your BRP, take a selfie, and complete identity verification. If your device isn't supported, you'll need to book an appointment at a UK Visa and Citizenship Application Service, UKVICA's, centre to provide biometric data. Feel free to pause this video as you go along with the steps in your application and continue when ready. You can also slow down the playback speed to 0.5x so you can catch a glimpse of each step in the mobile verification process, if you'd like. Next, sign in to your UKVI account. If you already have an immigration account, enter your BRP number and date of birth. You'll receive a security code via mobile or email. Enter this code to continue your application, then select Continue Application. Select Confirm your identity to complete the identity check step and select Continue. Next step is linking code for family members. If you are applying with family members, click on Linking Code for Family Members and select Yes. If not, select No and click Continue to confirm. Next step, using an immigration advisor. If you are using an immigration advisor based in the UK, select Yes. If not, select No and confirm your answer. Next step, confirm your email and phone number, then enter your postcode to select your home address. Confirm your entries and click Continue. Next step, Other names and nationalities. If you have any other names, select Yes and enter them. Otherwise, select No and continue. If you have an identity card from your country of origin, select Yes and provide the card number, issuing country, and issue expiry dates. You can leave out the issue date and expiry date as they are optional. Click Continue to proceed. If you hold other nationalities, select Yes and provide the details. Otherwise, select No and proceed. Click Continue and review the answers you provided and select Continue to proceed. Next section, Preparing your application. Select whether you are applying with a spouse, partner, or children. If applying with family members, enter their details to generate a linking code for their applications. Click on Continue and confirm their details are correct and select Continue to proceed. In this case, we will be selecting No as no family members will be included in this application. Next, confirm your application location. Enter United Kingdom since you will be applying to extend from inside the UK and click Continue. Review and select Continue to proceed. Next step, Immigration status. Provide details on your current visa or permission to stay in the UK. If you are applying under a skilled worker or healthcare visa, specify accordingly. If you have other applications on your record, select Yes or No and confirm. Next step, Work details. Select Yes if you have a certificate of sponsorship COS from your employer and click Continue. Enter the COS number, start and end dates, sponsor name, and sponsor license number. Enter your job title and occupation code from the COS document. If this is your primary job, select No for secondary employment. Confirm your entries and continue. Enter the Standard Occupational Classification SOC code from your COS document if provided. If not provided, select the occupation code link on this page to find the code that matches your job title. Select Continue to proceed. Review and confirm the SOC code matches your job title and select Continue again. Confirm Yes if your job is on the immigration salary list or select No if not applicable and select Continue. If unsure, check your cost document or email HR to confirm. Enter the salary amount provided in your COS document and select Continue. Review all your answers and select Continue. Next step, Personal details. Select your gender, enter your country of birth and then your passport details, including passport number, issue date, and expiry date. Select Continue to proceed. Select Yes to confirm your residential address you provided at the start of this application and confirm if you are renting or own the property. Enter your landlord's details and select Continue. Enter any other addresses you have lived at. If you have lived in more than one addresses in the last 2 years, enter the postcode and address of the second or more addresses and select Continue. Review your answers and select Continue to proceed. Next step, Family and partner information. Provide details of your parents, including their names, nationality, and country of origin. Review your answers and select Continue. Next step, Travel and immigration history. Indicate how long you have lived in the UK since you were first granted a visa. Indicate if you have spent time outside the UK for more than 2 weeks. If you have not, select No, then select Continue. Provide details of travel outside the EU zone, including dates and destinations. Specify the reason for travel and select Continue. Also indicate if you have traveled outside the EU zone in the past 10 years by selecting Yes if applicable. If not, select No, then select Continue. Next, provide details of any time you have had medical treatment involving visiting the doctor or hospital for a non-emergency treatment. Provide name of hospital, postcode, and dates when you were attended to. Select Continue and review your answers, then select Continue again. Next step, additional documents and details. Provide your national insurance number and driving license number, if applicable. For public funds, select No to confirm you have not received any public funds. Select Continue to review your answers and select Continue to proceed. Declare any previous immigration history, convictions, penalties, or motor offences. If none apply, select No and Continue. For some, If you have any penalty for driving or speeding or a motor insurance case, please indicate where necessary. In this application, we will select No. Confirm No if you have not been involved in war crimes. Confirm No if you have no terrorist affiliation or extremist view. Confirm No for questions confirming your person with a good character. Confirm No if you have not worked for any government or public service organization. Select Continue to proceed after completing each section. On the final page after selecting Continue, review your answers and select Continue. Next step, Employment and financial details. Confirm if your employer is covering your sponsorship costs. If yes, select Yes and proceed. Next step, English language proficiency. If you have previously provided proof of English proficiency in a visa application, select Yes. Otherwise, select No and continue. Next step, account security questions. Select a security question and provide an answer for each required question. Next step, declaration and submission. Before you declare and submit your application, scroll to the top and click Download Application. Download the summary of your application to verify all details. Review and confirm all answers. Agree to the conditions and click Continue. Select Declaration and select the checkbox, then select Continue to confirm all information you have provided so far are accurate and complete for this application. Next steps, declaration, IHS payment and visa fee. After declaring your details are complete, you will pay the immigration health surcharge and visa fee. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Select Continue. In the declaration page, confirm that you are the applicant and aged 18 or over. If otherwise, select as appropriate. Select Continue to proceed. For healthcare visa renewals, the IHS fee may be exempt. Scroll down and select Immigration Health Surcharge to proceed to make your IHS payment. Confirm the amount and select Pay Now to proceed. Enter your credit or debit card details along with your billing address to confirm payment. Then, click Confirm. You may be redirected to your bank's app or asked to verify the payment through another method. Complete this step to proceed. You will be shown a IHS payment successful page with your reference number. This will also be sent by email to your registered email address. Select Pay Application Fee to be redirected back to your application. Next step, select Application Payment. If you are required to provide any evidence after your payment, a provision will be made available to provide those details. Select Continue and select the visa fee amount you wish to proceed to make a payment for. We will select the standard fee for this application. Select Continue, then confirm the amount and select Continue to WorldPay to enter your card details for payment. Repeat the payment steps you performed for the IHS fee and select Make Payment. On the Payment Successful page, you will be shown your payment reference number and details of your payment. An email with these details will also be sent to your registered email from this application. Select Continue and continue again to return to your visa application page. Select Evidence Upload to check if you are required to upload any application evidence. If you are not required to upload any evidence, you will be informed in the next page. Select Confirm and Submit to submit your application. You can also provide or upload requested evidence or photos after you submit your application at a later date. You can also download a copy of your completed visa application, which includes your payments in PDF format, to keep a copy or share with relevant parties. Now, it's time to wait. Standard processing usually takes 8 weeks, but you can pay extra for faster processing. Although, this application received a decision in 3 working days. Good luck and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.